Brunae Body Tanning Oil is an Australian-made tanning oil that's become a favorite among people who love that golden, sun-kissed glow without harsh chemicals or fake orange tones. It's designed to give you a natural, radiant tan while deeply nourishing the skin at the same time. The oil comes in a sleek 100 ml bottle and costs around $30 to $35, depending on the variant you choose. Brunae offers options like their signature bronzing tanning oil, coconut tanning oil, and SPF 6 protection oil, all aiming to make tanning easier, faster, and more even. The brand claims that with consistent use, you'll get a smooth, hydrated tan that lasts longer and fades beautifully instead of patching off. The oil works by enhancing the skin's natural melanin production when exposed to sunlight or tanning beds. Unlike many traditional tanning products, Brunae Body Tanning Oil doesn't contain DHA, the chemical that causes self-tanning reactions, so it relies instead on natural plant oils to stimulate the skin's glow naturally. The idea is to hydrate and condition the skin while also allowing for deeper and more even tanning results. You can apply it before sun exposure, and it's said to accelerate the tanning process while keeping the skin soft and smooth instead of dry and irritated. Its ingredient list is a big reason why users love it. It contains coconut oil, known for its intense hydration and ability to protect the skin barrier from UV-induced dryness. Sweet almond oil helps nourish the skin with vitamin E and fatty acids, giving it that healthy, glossy shine. Jojoba oil mimics the skin's natural sebum, helping to lock in moisture and prevent flakiness, while vitamin E acts as a strong antioxidant to protect the skin from free radical damage during sun exposure. Some versions also include natural mica for a subtle shimmer effect that enhances your glow instantly. Together, these ingredients not only help create a deep tan, but also leave the skin visibly smoother, softer, and healthier. Users online generally rave about Brunae Body Tanning Oil. Many reviews mention that it smells incredible, light, tropical, and not overpowering, and gives a gorgeous, even tan without streaks. People love that it doesn't leave the skin sticky and that it doubles as a moisturizer even when they're not tanning. Others mentioned that after consistent use, their skin tone looked more radiant and bronzed even with less sun exposure. A few reviewers also appreciate that it's vegan, cruelty-free, and made without parabens or mineral oils. However, not everyone had a perfect experience. Some users noted that, since the oil doesn't have high SPF protection, it's not ideal for those with very fair or sensitive skin unless you combine it with sunscreen. Others said that while it enhances a tan, it doesn't create one from scratch. You still need sunlight or a tanning bed for it to work. A few also mentioned that the bottle runs out quickly, especially if used daily, making it a bit pricey for long-term use. Overall, Brunae Body Tanning Oil stands out as a luxurious and effective tanning companion that enhances your natural glow while keeping your skin soft and hydrated. It's not a magic instant tan product, but for those who love a sun-based tan and want to protect and nourish their skin at the same time, it's definitely worth the splurge. The clean ingredients, natural results, and glowing reviews make it one of the better tanning oils available for achieving that beach-bronzed finish safely and beautifully.